Lucas.
What happened?
I felt something.
Felt something.
I think you should take that top off the cover and see.
Morning.
So today, what do we have today?
We got some oak. We're cutting some, actually for an order, 4x4s and 1x6s.
4x4s and 1x6s.
Basically.
With,
Somewhere in the 25 4x4s and somewhere in the 50, I forget the exact number, 50 1x6s.
out of this? Is there another log?
Yes, there's more logs.
Oh, okay. I was like, is there going to be some magic here? I don't know how to make that many come out of this.
We'll find some other logs.
Okay.
Yes.
So, on another note, our slabber.
Oh, did you try to call on other people? Did they?
Okay, so what happened was, in the last week, we were wondering what's going on with the slabber. It's like the slabber that's never gonna come. Like, it goes on and on, my friends. So we called for another update.
My friends.
This is a song that
The story that never ends.
doesn't
that song?
end.
The song that never ends.
Yep, it goes on and on.
So called
my
for an update.
friend.
And Bailey's is, as you remember, it's a story that goes on and on, my friend.
That's enough, guys.
Bailey's is the distributor, so their role is that we buy it from them, and they are responsible for getting it to us. Now, they were blindsided by all of this yellow mafia thing, too. And
It's
so
just yellow. I don't think the mafia has anything to
You
do with it.
keep bringing up the mafia.
It was just like a. I don't even. It's fine.
So they were blindsided by this too. Our slabber is still in Illinois, somewhere by Woodmiser.
In the other one,
Indianapolis?
Indianapolis. That's,
Okay,
that's
whatever.
The one. I think it was
Not here. It's
like
not
7
here.
or 8 hours drive from us.
So I called last week and I was like,
yeah.
so, on your end, you have this slabber that's in insert location, not here. So for you either need to get the slabber back to your warehouse or to us. So it seems like it's kind of the same difference to you. Now, if we were to buy a slabber from you today, Bailey's has now had a new delivery system. Like, they now can get us, if we were to buy one right now, they would ship it with their new service. So I'm like, can you just ship us a new one with your new service? Because it's been 6 weeks now, 8 weeks, something.
Yeah,
And they're like, well,
Not to say it's their
blah, blah,
fault.
blah. And I'm like, I know you were blindsided too, but
they could be doing.
to you, it's the same difference. You have this slabber here that's either needs to get back to your warehouse in California or needs to get to us. And it's somewhere in Illinois or in Indianapolis or somewhere.
Yeah.
It's kind of like split the difference. Like, you got to get it either back to your warehouse or to us. So at this point, it would make a very big difference for us, though, if you would ship us one. Like, with your new service.
Well, and so they've got an agreement where they're the only Lucas distributors. So we have no option. I can't even order it from Australia if I wanted to.
So
We have to order it through them. And it's like, I know it's not their fault, but they could certainly be doing better. And it wouldn't hurt them.
it wouldn't hurt.
And
Like I said, it's the same difference. Anyway,
it would make it-
if you're wondering, if you've been following all our videos and you're wondering where the slabber is, we are wondering along with you where the slabber is.
Yeah,
But
it's been
right now, we're going to mill on this oak into 4x4s and 1x4s.
1x6, 1x6s and 4x4s.
I'm just going to go up and down.
So it's for I think it's for a fence line. So 4x4 posts,
Oh, okay.
and then the 1x6 fence.
That'll be pretty.
So.
Cool. All right. Well, let's see how this cookie crumbles. Milling time.
It's milling.
It's milling time.
What time is it?
Milling time.
How do I turn you on? Yes, it goes on.
happened?
I felt something.
Was it a snail? Was it a...
I don't think it was a snail. I think you should take that top off the cover and see. Did we ever order that tipper strapper thing?
No. You know, there's this weird thing. We ordered a slabber and it hasn't shown up. So,
oh crap, we have to order that through Bailey's too?
So we have to order this through Bailey's.
Oh.
And I don't know if I want to order anything through Bailey's again because I don't know if it's ever going to show up.
Well,
Yeah.
alright, why don't you open her up and see what there is?
Oi.
What happened?
There's no teeth. Oh, there's one.
There's one.
There's one. No. Never mind. That's not.
Yeah, I felt something, and then getting it through the log, it was like,
Yeah.
I was just pulling it, like, please come through the log.
That happens when you have no teeth.
So what do we do right now? Do we have another blade?
We have one more blade.
Oh, bothered.
We got 3 blades total. This is the second blade that's got teeth busted out. And
I'm not sure that's the log I want to do it with.
And keep
There's
cutting.
there's a lot of black in that log.
The blue? Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, oak, it's kind of like, I guess it's good it's there because you kind of have an idea. But you also see the blue stain and you're like, I know it's coming.
I was doing that to my hand the other night in bed. Had a splinter in my... Oh, babe. Oh, did you get you good? Yeah, I'm sorry. Had a splinter in my hand. I was trying to go to sleep. I forgot about it. And then trying to go to sleep, I remember that I had it, you know?
Yeah.
And so then I'm not wanting to get up. So I'm trying to like just get out of my hand. Eventually gave up, and I was like, just go to sleep, it'll be fine. Hey, look at you. You wanna live? I'm sorry.
Not melon anymore nowadays.
You had a good run. 36 years? 37 years?
She thinks I'm a little lazy. I think she's a little crazy.
That's the before and after you don't want.
We like summer and we like spring, watching wrestling and the ring. She ain't shy, she speaks her mind, tough as nails and smooth as wine. We burn hot as kerosene, baby, we got our own thing. She ain't skinny and I ain't tall, and that don't bother us at all. I run naked through the yard, she'd flash every police car, drinking wine and getting tired, and shooting out the damn street lights. How does she put up with me? Oh, baby, we got our own thing. We got our own thing. We don't need no rain. We ain't rich, but son of a bitch, we're a hillbilly king and queen. Life don't seem so hard with you beneath the stars, 'cause we're growing 4-leaf clovers in the yard.
There ain't nothing that he can't fix. He's a hard-headed son of a bitch. We got married on the Georgian line. Watch out, ladies, this one is mine. He works hard and just don't quit. Even if his pants don't fit, Lord, he'll be the death of me. Baby, we've got our own thing. We eat good like you ought to do. Mashed potatoes and gravy too. Picnic table out in the back. He's only had one heart attack. Pecan pie beneath the moon. Paper plates and plastic spoons. We're as close as two sardines.
touching minds.
Smoking grass and feeling fine.
We're as crazy as a cuckoo clock.
We're the weird ones on the block.
Stuff some cash down in her bra.
I even like my mother-in-law.
She's my backwoods beauty queen.
Baby, we
Got our own thing. We got our own thing. We don't need no ring. We ain't rich, but son of a bitch, we're a hillbilly king and queen. Life don't seem so hard with you beneath the stars. 'Cause we're growing 4-leaf clovers in the yard. Yeah, we're growing 4-leaf